Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to StoneCam Make a Better Vision World live broadcast. My name is Amber, and it's such a great pleasure to have you here. Hope you can enjoy the showcase today. Before we get started, I would like to briefly introduce the company first. StoneCam was established in 2003 by Shi Ximing with his professional knowledge and broad experience in the field. And over 19 years, our focus has always been on vision solutions for vehicles. With more than 110 superior engineers, StoneCam is now a leading manufacturer of cameras, monitors, radars, and AI-related products. Today we are going to show you one of our newest products with leading technologies, the infrared thermal imaging system. And I'm very happy to invite one of our experienced sales representatives, Jane, to join our demonstration. Hi Jane, welcome.
Hi Amber, thanks for inviting. Hello everyone, nice to meet you. Today we are going to introduce you our StoneCam infrared system.
Okay, so let's go to see the system. Yes, and we also call it TC933 system.
Can you introduce to us what is included in this system?
Okay, so let's see. This system consists of two cameras, the TC933 camera and also the ADA32 camera. You can also see the camera cable, USB cable, and also a monitor cable.
How about the monitor?
Actually, the monitor is not included in the system. If you want to use it with a monitor, you need to buy it separately.
Okay, I see. And we all know that StoneCam always focuses on tackling real problems. And I wonder, what problem is this system aimed to address?
Okay, so I believe it's also what our audience want to know. Actually, we can always find news about the traffic accidents, plenty of which are caused by construction vehicles. The truth is, these vehicles usually work in complicated environments, where roads are too dark to be seen at night, or in bad weather, or in strong light. And the drivers cannot see the pedestrians or the vehicles clearly, so causing a big challenge for the driving safety.
I guess it is, and I believe our system can improve the vision in dark environment where there is not enough light.
Yes, exactly.
And it's a good news for the drivers. So here now we are inside the car with this monitor. For now, we know what scenarios is this system designed for, but I'm still wondering what features makes it the best choice for our drivers.
Good question, because sometimes ideas cannot be much persuasive. So firstly, TC933 system features easy installation. You can see there are not so many cables for the connection, and the TC933 camera is incorporated with ADA32 camera as one system, which can spare our users from complicated wiring. And it's especially designed by the clients who owns large vehicles with irregular car bodies.
Okay, I see. How about the resolution if I use it with a monitor? Is it clear enough?
Clear as usual. You can see. So I'm saying that because our StoneCam has almost upgraded all of our series to 1080p input and output.
Yeah, but I'm still surprised that our engineers made it a reality with this new series of the new technology.
Yes, more than that, TC933 system can be automatically upgraded by the USB flash drive.
That's quite friendly to the users.
So our audience may wonder what's the strength of TC933 system and what distinguishes it from other similar products on the market.
Infrared cameras on the market usually come with a control box, but our TC933 doesn't need a control box, so its installation is more convenient. In addition, it's IP69K waterproof, suitable for outdoor application. It can resist rain, snow, dust, etc. It's more robust and durable. And also, it has wider view angle than others.
Okay, so the wider viewing angles means less blind spots, right?
Exactly. Our TC963 is 51 degrees, while many others are about 20 degrees to 30 degrees.
Okay, so that almost twice.
Yes. However, these are not the biggest difference between TC93 and other infrared cameras on the market. TC93 has a unique function detecting pedestrians and vehicles.
Okay, so that's quite special.
Indeed, actually this system contains two cameras, an AI camera and one infrared camera. Both of them can detect pedestrians and vehicles.
Okay, so why do we need two cameras?
That's a good question. The AI one is mostly for daytime, while the infrared one is perfect for night. They are complementary to each other and work together to improve driving safety for drivers no matter day or night.
That's sweet.
Yes, our engineers developed this system based on our customers' needs, so we try to be as considerate as we can.
Okay, so I believe many of our audience couldn't wait to know more about this product.
Sure, I have more details to share. Let's get inside. The first one is dual image display. As you can see on this monitor, it displays the image of the AI camera, and the infrared camera's image overlaps a smaller part of it at the top right-hand corner. The AI camera displayed the image of the visible light, and the infrared camera displayed the image of infrared light. Both images are displayed to the driver at the same time. This function is very helpful for the drivers, especially when they are at the glare of other vehicles' headlight, which is very common when they're driving at night. In this situation, the driver might see the glare of the AI camera's image, but there will be no glare in this infrared camera's image. This is the advantage of the infrared camera. It never impacted by light, never be impacted by weather like fog, rain, snow, etc. It only depends on the temperature difference. That's how it works.
Okay, fantastic. I guess it's really seen the market. It's a great advantage of this system. And what else?
The second feature, which is even more fantastic, is that it can detect pedestrians and vehicles. Based on deep learning and artificial intelligence, our engineers develop a pedestrians and vehicle detection system for TC963. As you can see, when pedestrians or vehicles are detected by the AI camera, they will be highlighted in yellow frame, and if they are detected by the infrared camera, there will be green frames instead. And in the middle, there will be a pedestrian sign.
Okay, so what's the detection range specifically?
For the AI camera, the detection range is 0.5 to 30 meters, and for the infrared camera, its detection range is 0.5 to 50 meters. And the detection range of the AI camera can be divided into three parts, as you can see: red, yellow, and green. They indicating extremely danger, potential risk, and safety.
Okay, so I guess that detection range can be suitable for most of the large vehicles. What else?
The third feature is flexible installation. As you can see here, the AI camera and infrared camera, they can be fixed and installed together like that, or our customers can choose to install them in different positions and install them separately according to their needs. Actually, our customers, they have multiple choices. They can do the installation according to their needs. And if you look closer, you will find a bracket for the camera. It's very solid and handy.
Okay, so that's a very lovely product.
Finally, the fourth feature is customization. StoneCam has over 110 senior engineers, and they are really good at customizing functions to suit our customers' needs. For example, the current display mode of TC93 is overlapping, but we can also develop single view display, split view display according to our customers' needs. And if some customers doesn't want the TC93 to detect vehicles and only want to detect the pedestrians, we can also modify the program and algorithm to achieve that.
Okay, thanks for your detailed description. I believe most of our audience are really impressed with this system. It's so intelligent and unique. But I guess some of them may wonder, will it be expensive?
Tell you a secret, the price of TC93 is actually lower than common infrared cameras on the market.
Oh, really? So that's extra functions with lower price?
Yes, that's because this product is manufactured by ourselves and its algorithm is also developed by our engineers. So our cost is lower. In terms of price, TC93 is very competitive in the market. And the audience, if you want to know the price of this product, feel free to send us inquiries.
So after such a all-round and detailed presentation, I guess all of you may have a general pic of StoneCam, the infrared thermal imaging system. So if you have any questions or requests, please don't forget to call us or send us emails. Here is our contact info. So StoneCam live broadcast will present new products every day during the fair. So please don't forget to follow us on the social medias.
Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you.